I'm Naresh Garg, founder of New Life Structures. Today we will discuss something about a very new product, very new thing, steel houses. So what are these steel houses? How these are different from the normal conventional houses? What is their economics and what is their life? We'll discuss all about these. So these steel houses are basically, the skeleton is made of a steel and the outer facade is made of the sheet, wood, any facade material as per the requirement or as per the selection. Why we are coming towards to the steel houses? The main thing is that labor, time, quality, all these things. And you know that in the conventional houses, what are the challenges we face generally? Like first is engineering, these are the heavy houses. Second is the labor intensive. Generally the civil work, civil labor is very hard to get in these days in India, in all over the world. Labor is a big problem. With this product, this is a modular house which we can make in a factory and transport to any location wherever it is required. So that is the main beauty of this product. See, since this is going to be made in a factory, so automatically quality comes. Any product which we can weld, which we can fix, which we can cut or fabricate in a controlled environment, that is a quality product. And second is, because everything is modular, the fabrication time or the completion time is very less as compared to the normal houses. We have done and we can make a house in 1.5 months, which is never possible for a conventional house. Even if you see a de-shuttering of slab takes 20 days. So if I compare overall time span, generally the house area is around 3,000, 4,000 square feet. If I compare with the time of construction of normal house vis-a-vis steel house, the normal house takes around 1 year, and in steel houses it's only a 1.5 month job. And second is, you will see the future will come. We purchase things in the market, we purchase things in the shopping mall. Similarly, the future will come when people will purchase houses in the shopping mall, houses in factory. And same thing has already started in New Life's factory. So that is the beauty. So now you have understood, this is a quality product, this is a time saving job. The question will come, you will ask, boss, what is the life of this house? See, it's a steel house, it's a very light building, and we all are engineers. Or if I come to a layman language, I'll explain you, the heavier the building, the more it will attract earthquake forces. So these houses are light. Automatically these houses are earthquake resistant. Earthquake is a big problem nowadays. We already have seen many big earthquakes in Nepal, in Bhuj and everywhere. But these houses are very, very safe in these type of conditions. After Nepal earthquake, more than 50% houses has been converted to steel houses. That is the beauty, or that is the strength. Similarly, in case of wind, because these are anchored in the ground, we don't need a big foundations for that. We don't need a big civil work for that. So these are anchored in a ground. It is wind force resistant. Similarly, on the other hand, because this is made of steel, so these are the fireproof also. There are many options available in that. Many type of facades, many type of elevations can be made. And similarly, if we are going to be at G+1, G+2 type of houses, a metal deck can be used instead of shuttering. We don't need any shuttering, we don't need anything. So that is where we save time. That is where this house has an advantage. And other question you will ask me, boss, how costly these are, or what is the cost comparison of normal house vis-a-vis steel house? I would say nowadays it's almost of the same range, or rather I would say 5 to 10% cheaper than the normal house. The reason is that not only that because material is cheap, material is not cheap because we are saving time, we are saving in labor, we are saving in technology. Everything is made in factory. That is the reason this steel houses is better, and that is the reason we are getting in a limited cost. If I exaggerate, hospitals and all these things are getting made with this type of concept, means steel frame and then outer facade as a sheet, wood, other planks, shingles can be used, and all the windows can be UPVC, aluminium. Combining these options, we can select a product, we can make a product. So I would say this is a future, and New Life is proud that we are advanced in that. And the thing which is coming in 5 years down the line, 10 years down the line, we have already started that. We had already made these houses, we had already exported these houses. Now I have already explained you what is steel house and what are the advantages, how it is different from the normal conventional house, what are its strength, what are the options, combinations available. Now you must be excited to see these houses. So the option is with you. You can come to our factory. We are happy to show you those houses. Second option is you can call us. Our representative will show you, will explain you the things on a video call. One thing I can assure you, the concept of housing is changing from the mud houses to brick houses, then RCC houses. Now the future is steel houses, and New Life is there. New Life has already started changing. We will change housing concept. Let us begin with the steel houses.